When storms rise, when the world tempts you with comfort, when pain whispers that you cannot go on, the Stoics made a choice, not to surrender, not to escape, but to stand firm in the fire. They chose discipline, because without discipline, the mind collapses, the spirit weakens, and life itself becomes chains. Marcus Aurelius woke each morning not to luxury, not to softness, but to a world of chaos. He reminded himself, "Today I will face arrogance, I will face pain, I will face injustice." And yet, he prepared his mind like a soldier sharpens his blade. Why? Because discipline is freedom. Freedom from fear, freedom from weakness, freedom from the slavery of desire. Seneca warned, "It is not that life is short, but that we waste so much of it. Without discipline, hours are stolen, days are lost, and we die without ever truly living." Discipline to the Stoics was not punishment, it was love. Love for the self strong enough to resist temptation, love for the future strong enough to sacrifice the present, and love for truth strong enough to cut through illusion. Epictetus, once a slave, gained freedom not by breaking his chains, but by mastering his mind. The world could beat him, starve him, insult him, but nothing could touch the man who owned himself. This is discipline, to rule yourself when the world tries to rule you. Think of the warrior. Without discipline, his sword is dull, his courage is nothing, and his enemy conquers. But with discipline, even an unarmed man can face an army. The Stoics knew pleasure fades, comfort rots the soul, but discipline builds a fortress no storm can break. This is why Marcus Aurelius wrote not of victories, not of wealth, but of training the soul. Every hardship was an opportunity, every pain was a lesson, every temptation was a battlefield. Picture Marcus Aurelius alone in his tent during war. The empire on fire, enemies at every border. He could have drowned in wine, in women, in gold, but instead he took the harder path. He trained his mind each dawn. He reminded himself discipline is destiny. For if the emperor cannot command himself, how can he command Rome? And what of us? We face no armies, no swords, no emperors, but we fight our own battles, the pull of distraction, the lure of comfort, the chains of addiction. Our war is quieter, but no less deadly. Ask yourself, when you wake, do you rise with purpose? Or do you reach for the phone, the noise, the escape? When pain arrives, do you crumble? Or do you breathe, endure, and grow stronger? When the world offers comfort, do you take it and grow soft? Or do you choose discipline, the harder path, the truer path? The Stoics knew that discipline is not about control, it is about freedom, because only the disciplined man is free. So tomorrow, when you wake, remember Marcus Aurelius, remember Seneca, remember Epictetus. They endured storms greater than ours. They walked through fire with steady hearts. They chose discipline, not because it was easy, but because it was the only path to greatness. And now I ask you, will you drift like the crowd, Or will you rise and choose discipline when the world begs you to be weak? The choice is yours. Follow this path. Subscribe now, because if you turn away, perhaps we will never meet again.